The Proceed needs to go a little bit louder. It should be radically more emotional than the 5-door.
We can create something very sporty. We use the ingredients that we normally use for Proceed, a little bit lower and very emotional, lower the yellow, more body compared to the glass surfaces.
So we worked on the changes of front and rear bumpers, the seals. You always have a different approach when you work concept cars. You feel liberated, you feel free. You try things you might not instinctively try on a production car. They were really developed side by side in the studio. We're a design team that really loves to work still with clay. So that means we model the cars by hand. We have the modelers, dedicated modelers that work with the designers to create this sculpture, and this is a process that we feel very, very comfortable with.
What makes the new Ceed especially European is the interior architecture, the very sporty layout, combined with a very high level of quality. I think the new Ceed is a really good showcase of what Kia can do in terms of interior design.
The materials that we chose are definitely, materials that you're used to seeing in very sporty cars. The black leather with the black Alcantara, the red stitching, the aluminum details. Those are instant, recognition. This is a sports vehicle. Proceed is about a state of mind, an ambassador, let's say, in the Ceed lineup.
Kia, the power to surprise.